I would prefer to have some salsa, and Jennifer makes some bang up salsa, but she's on vacation and I don't have any left that she made previously. So my next go-to was some mustard. I like mustard.
So guys, welcome back to the Outpost. It's a little bit overcast today, but I don't think it's supposed to rain for the next couple of days. It's just a slight, small percentage chance. But I'm enjoying my sausage and egg burrito. It was just something simple and quick, because what I've got planned today is, you remember I lacked 5 of the roof rafters, so I'm going to have to go. I've got another cedar tree or 2 that's down there, and I'm thinking about running down there and grabbing it and throwing it on the sawmill, sawing it up, finishing that, and then whatever time I've got left, I'll take some of those logs, throw them on the sawmill, and start milling up some sheeting to go on the roof, because I get this under roof, it'll be really nice, be a nice place to get in out of the shade and be able to cook, you know, since it's still summertime and I won't be on the inside. And I can also possibly do some different kind of projects up here. But anyway, I just wanted to welcome you back, and stand by. That's so good. Just wanted to say, you know, from time to time we get some emails and different comments about some of the things that we're doing here, and you got to remember that, you know, this is an undeveloped area. There are no guidelines or restrictions up here other than power and a sewer type system. There's no other inspections, and you know, this is not a how-to or a tutorial type channel. This is just me doing my thing up here, building my homestead. So I just wanted to say, you know, there's plenty of instructional videos and tutorial videos out there on YouTube on how to do certain things. Like I said, this is just primarily a do-it-yourself homesteading lifestyle kind of channels. So I hope you understand that I'm not trying to teach anyone how to lay block or build sidewalks or build timber frames or forest kitchens or anything like that. You know, it's just primarily me doing my thing on my property out here off grid. And you know, I try to answer questions when people pose them, you know, to the best of my ability. And like I said before, I'm not any master at this, but I can do enough to get by and serve the purpose. And you know, this is just my way of doing things. So, you know, if you're looking to build something, especially if you're in an area that has restrictions and codes, you might want to look up some of the tutorials on the YouTube channel on how to do things according to code, because like I said, neither of which sewer or power I have here. So since it's undeveloped, I don't have to follow any of those codes, and some steps I may omit because I feel like that, you know, it may be unnecessary for me doing it on a budget and trying to save. Anyway, just wanted to throw that out there. So as soon as I finish this, we'll run down there, we'll get see if we can't grab those trees, put them on the mill, finish up the roof rafters, and get it ready for sheeting so that I can get it under roof.
Here's some more of the Virginia creeper. That's what it looks like. And I'll tell you, you can see my arms possibly, but that's from not me rubbing up against it, but from basically cutting and chips flying. And there's some more of it.
Well guys, I managed to get what I said I was going to do done today. I tell you what, it's been a scorcher. I'd say the humidity is almost probably 100%. I don't know what the temperature is, but I basically, you know, if you don't like the color light gray, just get out and start cutting some cedars, peeling some bark, and hanging some rafters, and you can go from light gray to dark gray, you know, if you don't like the color. So I'll tell you what, I was really thirsty. I've sweated out a whole lot today. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little clip on finishing the roof rafters on the forest kitchen. I want to wish everyone a great afternoon. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with us here at the Outpost while we're doing some things. And again, like I said, you know, this is just me building my homestead. It's not a tutorial. It's not a how-to or anything like that, because, you know, I pretty much do things my way, the way I want them. I've changed my mind 2 or 3 times because I figured maybe I could use more wood instead of using this or that, because I've got a lot of resources available to me here. So just trying to do everything on a budget and save some money, and you know, having a whole lot of fun doing it. So anyway, y'all take care. We look forward to seeing you back up here at the Outpost next time.